Hey guys, I've been trying to figure out a way to mount my GoPro, but put it in different places that I want to put it and hang it where I want to hang it. And I got a couple ideas, but I just had this one. So I have one of these. I love these things, but if I can mount this right in there, I can clamp this to anything I want. Then I have enough articulation that, yeah. So I'm going to proceed to try and make me a mount. You guys can come along for the ride. My first problem is this is just a little too big, this area here. And so I'm going to use my grinder. I'm just going to grind those edges down just a little bit because it'll be the quickest, easiest way. And then, yeah, we'll see how they fit. I'm going to put this right into my vise over here because I'm not going to be able to hold this thing and grind these. And it's a little dangerous. So, yeah, give me a second. I'll be right back. Alright, so after a little grinding, this sucker, well, I had it, there we go, just sits in there. So now, and the same thing over here if I want to switch it to this side. So, now I'm just going to blast the hole. I got a super wide head screw, and just go to the hardware store and make sure it fits. Put that in there. Actually, probably be easier to do this. Just like that. So the screw head will hold it there. I got my mount. I can put it wherever I want. And here. So if I've got a shelf, I can just clamp it straight onto a shelf and then position my camera where I want it. We're good to go. So yeah, there you go. 5-minute easy mount. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. And be sure to like and subscribe. So there we go. I want to record something in the middle of my garage. I could set my ladder up anywhere I want. Clamp right to it. And I'm good to go.